Hello there, welcome to Achievers E-Learning Grade 7 class with me, your teacher, Mr. Booster. In this mathematics video, we're going to discuss on how to add fractions. Let's take a look at the questions. So question 1 says, add 2 over 5 plus 1 over 3. So addition is simply putting together. And the answer that we get after adding, we are calling it to be sum. So, when you're asked to add such a fraction, what are you supposed to do? You need to look for a common denominator, a common multiple of 5 and 3. The lowest common multiple of 5 and 3 is 15. 5 can go into 15 without leaving a remainder. 3 can go into 15 without leaving a remainder. 5 into 15, we're saying it goes in how many times? 3 times. What are we going to do? We won't write the 3 there. We need to multiply it by the numerator. 5 into 15, it is 3. 3 multiplied by 2, the numerator, it is 6. We bring down the addition sign. 3 into 15. How many times do 3 go into 15? We're saying it goes in 5 times. What do? We multiply our answer with the numerator. 5 multiplied by 1, we're saying it's 5. Any number multiplied by 1 is that number itself. 6 plus 5, we're saying is equal to 11 over 15. When you reach here, you ask yourself, is my fraction proper or improper? Our fraction is proper. The numerator is smaller than the denominator. Do we have a number that can go into 11 and 15 without giving a remainder? No, we don't have. That means we are done solving the first fraction. Let's take a look at the next example. 1 over 2 plus 3 over 5. What do? First, we need to look for the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5. The number in which 2 and 5 can go in without giving a remainder. What number is that? Very good. 10. 2 into 10. 5. 5 multiplied by 1, the numerator. We're saying it is 5. We bring down the addition sign. 5 into 10. Very good. 2. 2 multiplied by the numerator. 6. Excellent. 5 plus 6. We're saying it is 11 over 10. And then when you reach here, you ask yourself, is my fraction proper or improper? We're saying that our fraction is improper. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. And we are advised not to leave our fraction like that. What do? So we divide 10 into 11. How many times do 10 go into 11? We're saying it is 1. That becomes our whole number. Remainder 1 over the same denominator. We are done solving this question. Let's take a look at third question. So we'll say 3 whole number 1 over 2 plus 1 whole number 3 over 5. What are we supposed to do? So we've got 2 ways in which we can solve such a question. One is by converting this fraction into an improper fraction and this fraction to an improper fraction. Then the other way around, we can just deal with the whole numbers separately. So let's say this 3 plus 1 is giving us 4 as a whole number. Then we look for the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5. The lowest common multiple of 2 and 5 is 10. 2 can go into 10 without leaving a remainder. 5 can go into 10 without leaving a remainder. So this into that, we're saying it is 5. 2 into 10, it is 5. 5 multiplied by 1, 5. We bring down the equal sign. 5 into 10, we're saying it is 2. 2 multiplied by 3, we're saying it is 6. Or as a whole number, 5 plus 6, we're saying it is 11 over 10. We're saying that this fraction is improper. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. What do? 10 into 11 goes in how many times? We're saying that it's 1. Where do we put the 1? We add it to the whole number. So 1 plus 4 is going to give us 5. Remainder, this into that we said is 1. Remainder 1 over 10, the denominator. We have solved our question. The next one, let's convert it to improper fraction. Let's use the other method. This multiplied by that, it is 6. 6 plus 1, 7 over 3 plus 1 over 2. So the denominators are not the same. What are we supposed to do? Very good. We look for the lowest common multiple of 3 and 12. The lowest common multiple of 3 and 2, we're saying it is 6. 3 into 6, we're saying it is 2. 2 multiplied by 7. Very good. 14. Bring down the addition sign. 2 into 6, we're saying it is 3. 3 multiplied by 1, that's 3. 14 plus 3, we're saying it is 17 over 6. We are saying that our fraction is improper. What are we going to do? We need to convert it into a mixed fraction. How are we going to convert it into a mixed fraction? We'll say, how many times do 6 go into 17? We're saying it is 2 times. What is our remainder? 5 over 6. We have solved our fractions without challenges. So when you are given such questions in the exam, first you need to check on the denominators. Are the denominators the same? If the denominators are the same, you simply add the numerators. If the denominators are different, we are supposed to look for the lowest common multiple of the 2 or 3 denominators given. As for me, Mr. Ngongo, that's all I add. God bless.